I'm Matt Mann with Hicks & Mann Wealth Management, and I'm here today to review one of the most common questions we receive from clients. Clients probably ask us once or twice a week, what account should I set up for my child? Or even my niece, my nephew, or grandchild. I personally love to see parents that actively want to save money for their children, and here's why. Time and time again, statistics show that parents who save for their children, and I'll have a reference to this at the end, even in small amounts, parents that save for their children, even in small amounts, create a ripple effect that significantly alters that child's academic, emotional, and financial trajectory. Saving behavior is often inherited not through genetics, but through socialization. The client that typically wants to save money for their kid's college had college paid for by their parents, or the client that wants to pay for their grandchild's first car had their car paid for by their grandparents. So you can see that if you save today, it often rolls forward from generation to generation. And I'm not only saying to save your money, but take some of the Christmas money or the birthday money that the kids receive and show them how to save it. Save their money. Instill the trait of saving early, and it can pay financial dividends later. But I also know that every child is different. And I always tell my clients, the account that we choose depends which kid are we talking about. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 most popular accounts we use here at the firm by introducing you to 3 different personalities currently occupying our offices here in Cold Spring, Kentucky. So let's go. First up is Nora. She's sweet, she's 9, and she actually likes going to school. Nora is what we call college bound. For her, we almost always look at the 529 plan. In the 529, the money grows tax-free, and as long as Nora uses it for her future education, we don't have to worry about her paying taxes on any of the gains. But we do get a lot of parents that ask us, what if she gets a full ride? What if she gets a scholarship? Or what if she doesn't go to school? And we have 2 great answers for that. First, you can change the 529 beneficiary at any time to any family member. And second, we can now roll up to $35,000 of unused 529 money directly into a Roth IRA for her. So it's the ultimate backup plan.
Daddy, I'll be a lawyer when I grow up.
See, the 529, it's a no-brainer for the kid who actually plan on reading the syllabus. But for the kids who are a little more, let's say, unpredictable, let's check out our second option. Office number 2, the wild card. We have Knox. He's 7, he's goofy, he's funny, and his future plans change every Tuesday. Last week, he wanted to be a Green Goblin. Today, he's leaning towards being a professional gamer. For a wild card like Knox, we look at the UTMA or the UGMA account. It's more flexible than a 529 because it isn't tied to college. And if he needs money for a car, a haircut, a business startup, a t-shirt, high-end gaming rig, he can use it. It belongs to him, and once he hits 18 or 21, it's his money. If he was to surprise us and decide he wants to head to college or med school later, we could actually roll these funds into a 529 down the road once we're sure of his path. Hey, Knox.
Hey, Dad.
What's up?
Do you run snacks in the break room?
No,
You want to play bumper pool?
I don't want to play bumper pool. Flexibility is key here because with Knox, we just don't know yet. Now, for our final personality type, we're gonna have to be a little quieter, so come with me. You busy? In our third office, we have Griffin. He's 5, he's the boss. He's a little intense. For the kid who's already running the show and has earned income, we look at the custodial Roth IRA. Since Griffin is definitely going to be working, maybe in a video for a wealth management firm, he can have earned income. A Roth IRA for a 5-year-old can be a powerhouse. It grows tax-free for 60 years. By the time Griffin's ready to retire, he'll have a massive head start on tax-free retirement. All because we started today.
Mom, get out of my office! You're leaving too loud!
All right. I'm gonna get out of here. Starting in July of 26, there will be a brand new Trump account, also known as the 530A. It is expected to be available for initial deposits sometime in July. If your child was born between January 1st, 2025 and the end of 2028, the U.S. Treasury Department will deposit the first $1,000 for you, free. One-time seed contribution, There's no earned income required, and the money is automatically invested in the American Stock Index. It can really be a true future fund because the money is actually locked in the account until the child turns 18. Now, the growth is tax deferred, but the money is going to be taxable when it's taken out. Hopefully the kid's in a lower tax bracket and there may be no tax at all. So it could be an advantage, it could be a disadvantage. That's something we'll have to see. So looking at the big picture now, whether you're focusing on the tax-free growth of the 529 for education, or you're looking at the flexibility of the UTMA or the UGMA accounts, or maybe you're thinking about the tax-free growth and the retirement head start of the Roth IRA, or maybe even the Trump account, $3,000. The goal is always the same. At Hicks & Mann, we don't just manage portfolios, we manage families. We want to help you pick the right tool for the right kid. Here's a comparison chart comparing these 4 accounts. If you want that chart, you can download it in the link below. The best time to start these accounts for kids was yesterday. The second best time is today. And if you have a Griffin at home, good luck, and we will see you at the next video.